Ang hindi makapagyan ng providers, di ba?
Kaya.
Session was December 25. In myself.
Bago lang na?
So, December lang. Wala ka ng palman. Ay, naliputan. Sayang ang bata. So, no verbal abuse. So, legal protections. The Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, or known as the RA 926, recognizes various forms of abuse, including psychological abuse, and provides legal protections or services for survivors. So, pwede ka mo magreklamo kung nagagay ka ng barangay, pwede mo magreklamo sa barangay, sa DSWD, o sa police station. Next, we have gaslighting. So, gaslighting, gaslighting is a manipulative tactic. Like gaslighting report. Gaslight is a ability to overcome self-doubt, confusion, and sense of powerlessness. So, ano siya? Manipulator, fond of lying, denial of revenge, minimizing the victim's feeling or experience. Daw binabalik ka, diba? Awareness, gaslighting can be insidious, as victims may not always recognize the manipulation and manipulation. So, tama, hindi ma-recognize ang manipulation. Okay? So, next, let's go to isolation. So, what is isolation? So, isolation is defined as involves the abuser preventing the victim from maintaining social connection. So, may mga siloso, pinapalayo sa pamilya. You are not allowed to talk to someone, especially opposite sex. Ano pa? Ano pa isolation class? Including relationship with friends and family, and the isolation can be physical, emotional, or both. So, physical, hindi, paglakad ka sa sulo sa balay. O yung mga nag-age na thank you so much. No? For example, na siya sa isolation. So, effects. Isolation can intensify the victims, dependence of the abusers, making it more challenging to seek help or escape from the abusive situation. It can contribute to feelings of loneliness and helplessness. So when you are isolated, let's say for example, umana ka, wala ka ubra, salit lang sa bana mo, tapos nakasagata ka sa bana nga, manipulative, abusive, siloso, obsessive, compulsive, manipulative, superclick na basta na harang sa iyo. Ito mo, you will be pag-rank in your own house. Kaya ka lang buti, botol na sa mga Bible. So, ano epekto sa inyo? So, emotional depression. Mag-depress. Next, let's go to economic violence. So, what is this economic violence? So, we have financial control. So, this financial control refers to the exertion of control over a victim's finances by an abuser. So, this happens between, let's say, sa marriage sa couple. So, kaya nyo sa sister. Ang ina ATM, harap sa ako. Ang ako ATM, ako nubo. Maro. May makuha. Plus, mas mayo pa kasi ikaw ang makakwarta, hindi ka malabalo siya. Kaya nga, kulang ang kwarta ni budget. Okay, so, ano pa to? The control can take various forms such as withholding money, limiting access to the funds, monitoring spending, or preventing the victim from working or pursuing economic independence. Bawal